What if I told you that you're wasting hours every single day on things you don't actually need to do? And what if I showed you how to make AI do it for you starting today? Imagine this. You wake up, grab your phone, and half your to-do list is already done. Emails answered, social media scheduled, leads followed up, all without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream? Nope. This is what AI is doing for people right now. And if you're not leveraging automation, you're leaving money and time on the table. So here's the question. If you could automate one thing in your business or life, what would it be? Today I'm going to show you the game-changing power of AI, automation, why the best entrepreneurs are using it, and how you can start right now. Here are some of the smartest ways people are using AI today. Customer service, AI chatbots handle FAQs, book appointments, and even close sales while you sleep. More time for you, more money in your pocket. Content creation, AI writes blogs, social media posts, even full-on ad copy. Imagine having a full-time marketer working 24/7 for pennies on the dollar. Sales and outreach, AI-powered CRMs follow up with leads automatically, so you stop losing sales just because you forgot to send an email. Data and insights. AI tracks trends, crunches numbers, and tells you what's actually working, so you stop guessing and start scaling. Now here's the kicker. The biggest companies in the world are already using this. The only question is, why aren't you? Think about the one thing you hate doing every day. The thing that drains your time, your energy. What if starting today, you never had to do it again? Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the first thing you would automate? And hey, if you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing insights, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Because trust me, this is just the beginning. AI isn't the future, it's now.